First, heat 2 tablespoons of Mr Organic's Italian Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil in a shallow pan on a medium heat. Finely chop a white onion and brown it off before peeling and chopping a carrot. Add those to the pan, then finely chop a stick of celery and add that to the pan too, allowing them to soften. Next, add 3 cloves of minced garlic and stir through. Scatter in a teaspoon of dried mixed herbs, pour in a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of Plant Based Worcester sauce and a tablespoon of balsamic. Add in a bay leaf and 3 sprigs of fresh thyme with the leaves picked, then stir through. Add in 1 tablespoon of Mr Organic's Italian Organic Tomato Puree and fry off before adding in a tin of Mr Organic's whole Plum tomatoes, both sourced from our 3rd generation tomato farm in Italy, just south of Rome. Using a wooden spoon, break down the tomatoes, then drain off a jar of Mr Organic's lentils and add to the pan with a crumbled vegetable stock cube, 250 ml of water and season with salt and pepper. Stir through well and bring to a gentle boil, then allow to simmer for 25 minutes. Meanwhile, to make the dauphinoise topping, use the 2mm slicing disc in the Magimix 4200 XL food processor to prep 2 peeled potatoes into thin slices. In a small pan, add a tablespoon of plant-based butter and a clove of minced garlic and fry off. Pour in 1 cup of plant-based cream and warm through. Place the lentil shepherd's pie mix in a baking dish and arrange the sliced potatoes in a layer over the top. Then pour the garlic-infused plant-based cream evenly over the sliced potato topping and top with cracked black pepper. Place in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes until the potatoes are cooked through and soft and the pie is golden and bubbling. For an alternative short crust pastry pie topping, place the dough blade in the Magimix 4200 XL food processor, then add in 250 grams of plain flour, 125 grams of plant-based butter, 80 ml of water and a pinch of salt, and blend until the ingredients form together into a ball. Wrap the dough ball in cling film and place in the fridge to chill for 1 hour. After an hour, remove the dough from the fridge, dust a clean work surface with a little plain flour and roll the dough out into a rectangular shape, roughly 1 centimeter in thickness. Carefully lay the short crust pastry over the top of the baking dish, trim the edges and prick the center of the pie topping with a fork. Brush over the top of the pie with a little plant-based milk and place in the oven for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius until golden in color. Serve hot with fresh thyme or parsley scattered on top and enjoy this plant-rich lentil shepherd's pie with 2 alternative pie topping options with the help of Mr Organic's Italian Organic ingredients and the Magimix food processor.